that's coming in at the moment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached Varanasi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in the home turf of Varanasi. He's all set to inaugurate projects worth 2,200 crore rupees. The UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is accompanying Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The visuals that you are seeing on your screens coming in from Varanasi in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Big development post by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Projects worth 2,200 crore rupees will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi in his constituency in the city of Varanasi. My colleague Kumar Abhishek is now joining me on the story. कुमार अभिषेक, हमने देखा है कि किस तरीके से पीरियोडिकली प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जाते हैं वाराणसी। 2014 से जब से वो वहां से चुनाव जीते हैं, वो कई बार ये बात बोल चुके हैं कि वाराणसी का डेवलपमेंट उनके जीवन के अंदर एक बहुत अहम कड़ी है। Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, has been winning from this constituency, the constituency of Varanasi, since 2014. In fact, if you remember, it was this constituency for which Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014 had given out that very famous line. In 2014, just before he was going to file his nomination, he very clearly said that neither has he been called nor has anyone sent him. ना मैं यहाँ आया हूँ, ना मुझे किसी ने भेजा है, मुझे तो माँ गंगा ने बुलाया है. And since then, we have seen how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been inaugurating not one, but various projects for the city of Varanasi. In fact, the Kashi Corridor has been one of the main projects of the Bharatiya Janata Party, one of the landmark projects of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which has been fulfilled now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also be transferring close to 20,000 crore rupees directly into the bank accounts of over 9 crore 70 lakh farmers across the country, and this will be under the 20th installment of the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Sending out a message to his people, the people of his constituency, Prime Minister Modi actually took to X and said, 2nd of August is a very special day for my family members in Kashi. I will be inaugurating and also laying the foundation stones for several projects related to education, health, sports, tourism and connectivity. My colleague Kumar Abhishek is now joining me on the story. Kumar Abhishek, कई बार हमने देखा है 2014 से लेकर अब तक प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी अलग-अलग स्कीम्स का उद्घाटन करते हैं और वाराणसी के लिए खास तौर से प्रधानमंत्री कई सारी स्कीम्स लेके आ चुके हैं।
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में है कि जब भी वो कुछ नया करते हैं तो फिर काशी जरूर आते हैं। सिंदूर के बाद की ये उनकी पहली कह सकते हैं यात्रा है, और ये यात्रा कई मायनों में अहम है। 2000 करोड़ से ज्यादा की योजनाएं वो काशी वासियों के लिए लेकर के आए हैं, उनके लिए सौगात है। अगर हम उन योजनाओं की बात कर लें तो सबसे बड़ा जो पूरे देश को है वो तकरीबन 20,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा का जो